Hello students, welcome back to Vedantu's NCERT Solutions for class 11 and 12. We are going to discuss the second question from D and F block elements. The question is, why are Mn2 plus compounds more stable than Fe2 plus towards oxidation to their plus 3 state? So we should know the electronic configuration of the respective ions that are given here. So if we look at it, the ion Fe has electronic configuration argon 3d6 4s2, and manganese, it has the electronic configuration argon 3d5 and 4s2. So we know that if the orbitals are completely or half filled, then they are more stable. So the half and completely filled orbitals are very stable. Now look at the electronic configuration of Fe2 plus and Mn2 plus ions. So if we talk about Fe2 plus, then the electronic configuration will be argon 3d6, and Mn2 plus, it is going to be argon 3d5. So here this is half filled, hence it is more stable. And if we write Fe3 plus, the electronic configuration of Fe3 plus ion, it is going to be argon 3d5. So what can we say? What can we deduce by this? So as half filled and completely filled orbitals are more stable, Mn, manganese with plus 2 state, has a stable that's half filled D5 configuration. So Mn2 plus shows resistance to oxidation to Mn3 plus, because Mn2 plus is already stable. So yes, but if we consider Fe2 plus has 3d6 configuration. On losing one electron, its configuration is going to be 3d5, which is half filled, and hence it is more stable. Okay, 3d5 configuration to be 3d5 configuration. Therefore Fe2 plus is easily oxidized to Fe3 plus oxidation state. In order to solve these kind of questions, we need to know the electronic configuration of respective metal ions.